Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're at Google Calendar in your browser. First, make sure you're signed in and viewing the desktop web interface because mobile has limited options. Next, scan the Left My Calendars list and hover the calendar you want to change. That reveals the three-dot menu. Click that menu to see quick color chips and the settings and sharing option. Once done, you'll either pick a preset color immediately or open settings for advanced choices. Both paths let you start customizing instantly. Now choose between quick presets and a custom shade. If speed matters, click any preset color chip. It applies instantly across all events for that calendar. For precise branding or accessibility, pick Add Custom Color, then enter a hex code or drag the picker until you're happy. Make sure to consider contrast against event text so titles remain readable. Once you save a custom color, it stays tied to that calendar. You can switch back to presets at any time if the color doesn't work. Finish by deciding whether to color events individually or rely on calendar-wide colors. When creating or editing an event, use the Event Color menu to override the calendar default for that single item. This is useful for highlighting priorities. Remember, colors you pick for shared calendars change only your view unless you own the calendar. If colors don't update, refresh the page and clear the browser cache. Make sure you have edit permissions on shared calendars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.